Y'all, I ate this hair up. What? I ate this hair up. What's up, simulation farmers, and welcome back or welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, we're gonna be installing this wig. And when I get on YouTube, I like watching hair tutorials that don't have a lot of talking in them. You know, got a little bit of music playing in the background. You know, it's talking every now and then if it's info that I need to know. So I hope you enjoyed this video. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. As you can see, I ain't got no wig on my head, no wig cap, none of that. These braids are almost 3 months old, but we still gonna make it do. Yeah. This is a Amazon hair company, but they're really good. They sent me this wig right here. The wig. Purr. I'm gonna be recording a little TikTok right here. Right in my hair. I'm gonna do the no wig cap method just because ever since I stopped using wig caps, I've been able to preserve my edges. So yeah. This is the only thing I don't like about this company. It doesn't give me like much to work with. This is my go-to, y'all, Ghost Bond. And a lot of people say like, oh, don't use Ghost Bond no more. Ghost Bond, no. I still use Ghost Bond, y'all. This hold is impeccable. 2 layers and let it dry clear. Let the glue dry clear. Spread it out and make it as fine as possible. I'm gonna do 1 layer of glue because I'm not gonna keep this wig on for too long, and I know 2 layers this wig gonna be stuck to my head, so I'm just gonna do 1 layer of glue. And y'all, my camera died, so yeah. If you're a beginner and you're trying to learn how to lay the wig, cut it in 3 tabs, in 3 sections, and work your way by each section. I feel like that is way easier than trying to glue the whole thing down at once. I recommend you using like a thin elastic band over a big elastic band. I feel like this right here will give you like a more invisible, you know, y'all know what I'm talking about. Take your time also. Don't rush trying to do this. Like, it's gonna look rushed, so take your time. Just saying. But as you can see, like, it's tacky. That's what you want. Usually at this time we will go in and do another layer, but I'm personally not going to do another layer just because I don't want it to be like on my head. I want to put this on, then I'm planning on taking it off and putting on another wig. Also, if you're wondering why I'm looking down right here, is because I'm also recording the TikTok at the same time. Meat to meat, wall to wall, coochie to my boss. Look at my y'all, this color, not too shabby, not too shabby. Call me the Little Mermaid, bitch. And before y'all ask, like, oh my god, how long should I keep the band on? How long should I keep the band on? Keep it on until you get a headache. Or if you were, go smoke a whole one. Go smoke a whole one. And then take it off. I promise you. It's gonna be laid down. It's gonna be laid down. But I suggest using a thin one, because I feel like it gives it a better melt, you know? A real good melt. I'm going to add a thick one just for, like, you know, extra security, and I'm gonna go eat me a seafood boil. And by the time I get to eat my seafood boil, it should be melted, you know? you don't feel like waiting that long. But if you know you ain't got nothing to do, maybe keep this on for like 2 hours, man. You want that milk to be melted, pretty much. Like there's no other way to put it. You want it to be melted. Y'all love a good seafood boil. Crawfish, like, yes, look at me as I eat you. You so good. You know how good you is. You real good. How would you like it if somebody cracked your legs open and ate your insides out? I would love it, actually.
Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style is so fly. I can't deny, I got a crush on you, and that's true. I'm digging you. I make me believe that your love is mine. Oh yeah.
Make sure you're cutting in a jagged motion. Don't cut straight across. Like, actually, your hairline is in a straight line, so don't cut it like it's a straight line. Got it? Got it. Now I'm giving my honest little review. This particular wig is like, it doesn't have a lot of parting space, and it says it's a 13x4, but I don't know, these 13x4s getting smaller and smaller and smaller depending on the company. So we gonna see.
I'll give you anything you want from me.
So I'm going to style the wig and come back and show y'all the finishing product. I'm probably gonna go in and re-plug just because I feel like it's real thick up here. But I'm probably not gonna pluck it some more. I'm probably not gonna pluck it extra because I don't plan on keeping this wig for a long time. So and if I do decide to sell this wig, I want the person to be able to get like a long type of wear out of it without it being like over plucked, you know? Okay, so I got the overall style in, but I'm gonna go in and cut the edges. Y'all know how some people use mousse and stuff to do their edges and whatnot? Baby, pump it up. This is the shit to use. This is the shit to use for your edges, trust me. Make sure you put concealer or foundation on your part, okay? I'm not gonna do that because I'm gonna take this wig off so I can do another one, but yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it as much as but yeah, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me what more you want to see from this channel, and I'll see you guys next go around. Y'all can't lie, baby girl, I ate this up. Oh, I better take off all this makeup. Oh, what time is it? It is 10:34. I ate this up, y'all.